Well, it's basically like every virus you can think of is circulating right now and just like, which is annihilating people. And it got us thinking about boosting immunity. So today we invited Dr. Angela Tran to join us this morning. We love having you.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Good morning. Okay, immunity, a big topic right now because everyone has been sick. What are your go-to trips to try to boost it?
Yeah, so, well, first of all, health is the best mask of protection, especially this time of the year. And there are 3 factors that affect your immunity. Number 1, sleep. Sleep deprivation is going to cause you to be tired, imbalance in hormones. I mean, it is going to bring your defenses down. So make sure you get plenty of sleep. Yeah. Easier said than done.
Yes.
Number 2, stress. I mean, we just tucked in 2022. You know, the new year is hopeful, but we still have a lot of stress. I tell everybody prioritize self-care. It's really important for you and your body. And finally, number 3, managing your weight. We did say goodbye to holiday cookies, but again, that 5-pound weight gain can cause inflammation, stress in your body, affects your immunity. And as a medical weight loss doctor, these are the factors that we're addressing.
Okay, so when it comes to stress, right? Like people are busy, right? They got the families, they got work, they got all this stuff going on. I mean, if they're saying, all I can do is like 10 minutes of a free yoga video on YouTube or a 15-minute walk, like is that worthwhile? Like, should be like, go do it?
Yeah, 100%. This is the New Year resolution month. I get so excited because number 1, you really need to focus on your nutrition. That is so easy now. You don't have to cut sugar out completely, but you need to understand that food is fuel and you need to understand the energy of your body. Okay. Number 2, I mean, yes, exercise. Capitalize on all those deals. You know, try something new. I'm totally into kickboxing, rowing, spinning. I mean, just do something to move your body. And finally, number 3, you said it, mindfulness and meditation. I mean, we spend so much time dwelling on the past, worrying about the future. It affects our mental health. So we want to center ourselves and really understand that we are the solution to our problems.
Okay, so talking about nutrition, right? Because a lot of people kind of take a double look at what they're eating and stuff. What are your tips on the best sustainable ways to approach that versus like, you know, I'm just gonna cut everything out and then you fail within a couple of weeks?
Yeah, it starts with a plan. You know, you have to stay accountable to yourself. So you really want to make sure, okay, are you going to commit to exercising 2 to 3 times a week? Okay. Number 2, no extremes. I tell everybody, get that all or none out of the door. You really need to understand the 80-20 rule. You know, be good 80% of the time, but 20% of the time, allow yourself that favorite food so you don't drop off. And finally, number 3, the simplicity. Like I said, you need to make sure that you're on a schedule. You want to stay consistent. I always tell people the tortoise wins the race every single time.
How long does it, I know it varies from person to person, but if, you know, a person is a month and going, I'm not seeing any results, I'm getting frustrated, I'm still sick, haven't lost the weight, like what do you tell them?
Oh, not in Dr. Tran's world. I get people starting from the very beginning because it's a very formulated process. I mean, we're getting lab work, understanding what's keeping you from losing weight. Then we actually have you with a registered dietitian to understand, you know, what are the carbs, fats, and proteins, how does it fit into your lifestyle, and again, mindset. You know, you are your worst enemy, and we really address that from the very start so that you just really understand, let's just get all of the barriers out of the way. We really get patients losing weight right off the bat.
That's amazing. We're almost out of time, but I want to ask you a real quick question here. As a part of like the Daycare Parents Club, where we're just like, oh my gosh, somebody please help us. We keep hearing about, oh, if you just boost the amount of vitamin C you're eating and kind of space it out through the day, it helps. Is that true or is that a myth?
Yeah, no, I love vitamin C. As we know, it fights off the common cold. You know, it's an antioxidant. It's great for your skin.
Ooh, okay.
Yes, but those mega doses are really reserved for complex cases, like if you have cancer or if you have a ear infection. And in honesty, if you're an average healthy person, you just need the daily dose. I think you might be wasting your money if you're just doing those IV treatments type of thing. But vitamin C is very important for your immune health.
Awesome. Thank you so much. You always come with the best tips, and it's like it's doable. It doesn't feel overwhelming, so it's great. Thank you so much.